Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying headers and consistency because mismatched columns break matching. Once ready, select the precise range you want deduplicated or click any cell to target the whole sheet. Make a backup copy now and keep it until you confirm results. That protects data if filters or formulas behave unexpectedly. Now open the Data menu. This is where the first action happens, so you can remove duplicates safely and reproducibly. You proceed by running Data Cleanup Remove Duplicates. Choose specific columns to compare because comparing more fields narrows matches. Once done, use Unique to extract distinct rows without deleting or apply COUNTIF to mark duplicates for manual review. For complex matches like case-sensitive or substring checks, add a helper column with lower, trim, or rejects extract, then sort and filter. This lets you visually confirm which rows will be removed before committing to deletion. You finish by inspecting the clean data and comparing counts to your backup. Make sure totals and key identifiers still align. If something looks wrong, revert via version history or restore the duplicated sheet, then repeat with adjusted column choices. Once satisfied, remove helper columns and reapply any necessary formulas. If duplicates persist, check for invisible characters and inconsistent case. Use trim and clean or lower to normalize text before repeating the remove duplicate step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.